so cold out here in Kaduna. Ha! Now wow. I just want to say a big thank you for watching my movie, Old Flames. Ha! You guys are the best because we just dropped this movie in a rush. Despite my inconsistency, I have not been consistent with YouTube, but you guys have me. Our movie is now over 200k views just in one day. Ha! It's a lot for me, because I did not even do any publicity for this movie. I did not give you any prior notice. We just dropped it on you like that. And you guys have been so supportive. You've seen this movie. We now have over 200k views. Hey, easy. If it's easy, run now. I want to say a big thank you. I see you all. MoBimpe Hamis, thank you so much. Your comments, your likes, your shares, and I see everything. All Flames is still showing. We need more views. At least we need like 1 million views, okay? So that we can make our money back. Keep spreading the news. Tell a friend, to tell your other friend, to tell your sister, to tell your uncle, to tell your daddy, to tell your mommy, tell everybody. That's Old Flames is showing on YouTube. And you know it's just a one-part film, so it's easy to watch. You just watch it, stream it once, boom, and you are done with it. Beautiful movie. You guys have been saying, you are not even dropping movie for us on YouTube. You're not even doing YouTube movies again. I am still doing YouTube movies. News, good news. One of my very good fans, Oyebade, said I should give 20 of you money for Christmas. So I'm probably going to come back online tonight to do the giveaway. Please, so ignore all those people posting Old Flames part 2. Ironio, they are scammers. They want to scam you people of your ad-end data. Don't mind them. It doesn't have part 2. Okay? Thank you. I'm so cold.